Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Greetings, Pocket Theory. I hope you're having a peaceful day today. When you free your mind of worries, you have more time to be creative and have fun. Whoa, but what does that have to do with EDC? I think it's important for many of us to acknowledge a big piece of why we EDC in the first place. Why are we like this? Why, God, why am I like this? For me, I'm not obsessive about it, but I like to be prepared for the small eventualities that can occur when you go out into the real world and just do shit. You go shopping, you want to open the box to your new toy, you grab a pocket knife. You can't find your seat in a dark theater? Grab a flashlight. You need to sign a check? Grab a pen. For many of us, when we're in a situation where we don't have the necessary tool to complete the job, there's this low level of anxiety that kind of nags at the back of our head. We're going to get caught with our pants down. We're not going to have the thing that we need. Anxiety is but a product of fear. Right about now, I'm sure some of you tactical tough guys are sitting there going, fear? Anxiety? What are these emotions I've never experienced before? Nobody on planet Earth who's too tough to not benefit from a little bit of peace of mind. There are so many things that are out of our control. Isn't it nice to have your bases covered for a few of the little things? Shit happens. The longer you spend on planet Earth, I got news for you. The more shit that will keep on happening. The shit is relentless. There's a lot of little things that can happen to derail an otherwise pleasant day, and the older I get, the more I just want to be prepared for all of those stupid things when they happen. That's why I created the P.O.M.P, the Peace of Mind pouch. I got the motherfucking P.O.M.P. That is not going to catch on. Jesus Christ, I apologize. If you watch a lot of EDC YouTube channels like I do, you've seen the Urban Prepper, Earthling EDC, John Gadget. As far as I'm concerned, these three guys are like the holy trinity of EDC kit building. All of them have a kit similar to this. John Gadget calls his Get Out of Trouble kit. That's a very apt description. For me, trouble just seemed a little bit too melodramatic, so I called my kit what it is. It's a fucking pouch that gives me peace of mind. It's the ultimate supplement to my existing level 1 and 2 EDC. The Peace of Mind pouch is my level 3 EDC. In order to talk about level 3, we need to do a quick recap of levels 1 and 2. If we're talking about level 1, I just want to say this right off the bat. The most important item that we carry every single day is our phone. Yeah, bitch, you heard me. Your phone. It's got way more potential to save your life than your knife, your firearm, whatever you're carrying. When it comes to communication, navigation, information retrieval, fucking life management, this thing is number one. This is literally the greatest EDC tool in the history of mankind. So having said that, my level 1 EDC is my phone, my watch, keychain, and my car fob clipped to my waist if I'm driving. You'll notice the card holder on the back of my phone. That's my primary wallet. I can already hear the EDC voices in my head.
You shouldn't combine your wallet and phone. If you lose one, you lose them both.
I get it. I've been doing this almost 15 years. It's just not something I worry about. What's inside the primary wallet? My driver's license and 2 credit cards, some business cards, and backup cash. What's on the keychain? Leatherman style PS multi-tool, my house key, mailbox key, a Ouija bar, and a handcuff key. Why a handcuff key? Because you never fucking know, that's why. If you watch my previous video, you'll know that my level 2 EDC is a pouch that I carry on my hip. Inside that pouch, I have a pocket knife, a flashlight, a pen, and my backup wallet. What's inside the backup wallet? A Write and Rain notepad, some backup credit cards, some other miscellaneous cards, and a laminated list of phone numbers in case something happens to my phone. I keep all of that on a pouch plate secured to my waist. You can watch the video if you're curious how it all works. I'll put a link in the description. And now, my level 3 EDC, the P.O.M.P. This is the Peace of Mind pouch. Whenever I leave the house for longer than 30 minutes, I take this little sumbitch with me. Oh yeah, let's jump inside and see what we're dealing with. First and foremost, I can pull this front flap back and you can see I have easy access to all of the gear that's on the inside. Couple of safety pins. We all know how handy safety pins can be. I don't have to explain it to you guys. All right, this is not going to be organized at all. I'm just going to literally start pulling shit out. This is a Nightcore Tiki, just a little backup flashlight. This is a little backup prescription medicine. This is a little backup over-the-counter medicine. I got a little acetaminophen, a little ibuprofen, you know. Boom! You got yourself a little fingernail clipper. Yeah, that's right. These little fold flat fingernail clippers are fantastic. To go along with that, I got some sliver grippers. You guys don't like getting slivers. Nobody does. They suck. I got a couple of these single-use eye drops. And then I got one of these in-charge cables. Got a little thing of deodorant. Yeah, that's right. It looks like it might be a lip balm. No, that's deodorant. Metal toothpick. I cannot tell you how handy the metal toothpick comes in. Oh my God, I hate getting shit caught in my teeth. And then, of course, some Tums. This is the Tums Ultra. This is the good shit with mustache comb. Boom. Bic Mini. If I have to explain to you the value of a Bic Mini, Jesus Christ, you might be a space alien. I got a watch charger. You know, this thing has a great battery life, but every now and then I got one of these cold forged flatware sets. These things come in very handy. Boom, charging block. One of these little fold down jobs. It's got the USB, the USB-C, so I can use it with my charging cables. I can keep my phone and my watch charged no matter where I'm at, as long as I can find an outlet. Blim blam pow. We got us a little single-use lip balm, and of course, lens wipes. These are some of the greatest things in the entire world when it comes to keeping your glasses clean. And then deep down at the bottom, this is a house key cut down so it fits in there quite nicely in case I lose my primary house key. And that is it. It all fits into this. This is a rough enough coin purse. Comes in a package like this. They make a lot of products for younger people, so I don't hear a lot of like older EDC guys talking about them, but Rough Enough, check them out on Amazon. They're a really cool company. They make a lot of cool stuff. I tried to fit all of this stuff into a Maxpedition Barnacle, a Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch. What I found was this little coin purse was the most efficient option, especially with that front flap that you can just fold down. I'm gonna do that trick where I throw it into fast forward and I shove everything back in the pouch to show you how it fits in here. Stand by. That's what I'm talking about. Peace of mind. All the goodies, one pouch. And that, my friends, is the Peace of Mind pouch. Don't you feel better? Shit, I know I do. It's okay to admit this stuff out loud, folks. Some of us are also using EDC to be prepared and eliminate some anxiety from our day-to-day life. Be proud of it. Assemble a kit that reflects your sensibilities and covers the bases that you want covered. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Remember, have fun, be creative with your EDC, but more importantly, carry what you want.